Took off from Joint Base Charleston on a 20-hour direct delivery airborne assault into Andersen Airfield here in Guam. During that 21 hours, we went over TLPs with the paratroopers and the bird and reviewed the plan. And then because we had in-flight communications, both birds were able to talk to each other as well as the unit on the ground to get real-time updates for both the weather and the enemy situation for the follow-on mission, which we're about to execute right now. It's nice to get into an airfield that we're unfamiliar with. You know, most of the paratroopers behind me have jumped into Holland drop zone and Sicily drop zone, 10, 20, 30 times, and they're very familiar with it. Dropping into an unknown drop zone kind of helps us re-blue and sharpen our skills once we get on the ground to organize and move off the drop zone as quick as we can. It demonstrates to our junior paratroopers and our junior leaders that the 82nd Airborne is America's emergency response force, and getting out of North Carolina to anywhere in the world in 18 hours to a direct delivery is something that we need to stay proficient on, and it proved to them as well as senior leaders who haven't done this before that it's a mission we can and should execute at the drop of a hat.